Search. Oru Thekkan Thallu case. Article. Talk. Language. Download PDF. Watch. Edit. Oru Thekkan Thallu case. Transel. A Southern Brawl Case is a 2022 Indian Malayalam language action comedy film directed by Srijit N and written by Rajesh Pinadan, based on the short story Amini Pilla Vettu Case by G. R. Indugopan. 2. The film stars Biju Menon, Roshan Mathew, Padmapriya and Nimisha Sagyan. The film is produced by Mukesh R. Mehta, Sunil A. K. and C. V. Sarathi. Oru Thekkan Thallu case. First look poster. Directed by Srijit N. Screenplay by Rajesh Pinadan. Story by G. R. Indugopan based on Amini Pilla Vettu case. By G. R. Indugopan produced by Mukesh R. Mehta, Sunil A. K. C. V. Sarathi. Starring Biju Menon, Roshan Mathew, Padmapriya, Nimisha Sagyan. Narrated Vyaswat Lal. Cinematography Madhu Neelakandan. Edited by Manoj Kanath. Music by Justin Varghese. Production companies: E4 Entertainment, New Surya Films, Open Book Productions. Release date: the 8th of September 2022. Running time: 152 minutes. 1. Count triangulating with Malayalam. The film marked Padmapriya's comeback to a Malayalam film after a gap of 5 years. The film was released on the 8th of September 2022. 3. It received positive reviews upon release and turned out to be a moderate success. Plot. Edit. Podiya Pillai's lover, Vicente, and Amini Pillai's wife, Rukmini, are neighbors and close friends. One of the most respected people in the town is Amini. In the town, when Podiya visits Vicente for sex one night, Amini sees it and slaps him. Podiya became enraged by this and attacks Amini in the dark, with his friends. During the attack, Podiya hacks Amini and he is bedridden for a couple of months as a result of the attack. In order to teach Podiya and his friends a lesson, he decides to do so in such a way that society will acknowledge it as well. The ego of Podiya and his friends are hurt when Amini chose not to file a lawsuit, but instead decided to deal with things on his own. They are not sure what to do about the crisis and are looking for a way to ensure that they do not face Amini's wrath. Vengeance is taken by Amini, one by one against Podiya's friends, who are relieved of the stress of Amini's revenge. In the meantime, Vicente finds out she is pregnant before her upcoming wedding with Podiya. The couple fled to a hideout where Podiya was supplied by his friends. Even though Amini has not yet slapped Podiya, Rukmini insists that the wedding goes on as soon as possible. While Amini is in his lighthouse just before the wedding, Rukmini and Podiya lock him inside to ensure Podiya does not have to go to the wedding slapped. The moment Rukmini realizes that she has made the wrong decision and tries to open the door, but to no avail. Amini jumps out the lighthouse window to escape and breaks his arm. On the wedding day, Rukmini takes revenge for her husband by slapping Podiya as Amini was present at the wedding. The film ends with Podiya and his friends in a car heading towards the wall where Amini had crossed off their names when they were slapped. Amini was standing there without Podiya's name crossed off, leaving the movie on a cliffhanger. Cast. Edit. Biju Menon as Amini Pillai. Roshan Mathew as Podiya Pillai. Padmapriya as Rukmini, Amini's wife. Nimisha Sagyan as Vicente, Podia's girlfriend turned wife. Akhil Kavalayur is Kunju Kunju. Aswat Lal is Lopez. Riju Sividas is Prabhak Kuttin. Arun Pavumpar is Kunjipakki. Aziz Nedumingada. Pramod Valiant is Astrologer. Prasant Murli. Achyutananthan. Sassy Valoran. Neerja Rajendran is Vicente's mother. Jayraj. Production. Edit. On the 14th of July 2021, Biju Menon announced that his next film would be Oru Thekkan Thallu Case and released the film's first look graphic poster of the four pivotal characters. 4-5, on the 10th of November 2021, Nimisha Sagyan informed that the principal photography of the film would start soon. 6-7, in February 2022, the crew of the film announced that the shoot of the film is completed. 8. Soundtrack. Edit. The music of the film is composed by Justin Varghese. 9. Note: lyrics music singer, S, length 1. Yentaru, Anwar Ali Justin Varghese Himna Hilari, Justin Varghese 3, 292. Prima Neyapam, Anwar Ali Justin Varghese 510 total length, 839. Release. Edit. Theatrical. Edit. Oru Thekkan Thallu Case was released in theaters on the 8th of September 2022. 10. References. Edit. Carat. Oru Thekkan Thallu Case. British Board of Film Classification. Retrieved the 29th of September 2023. Carat Service, Express News, the 14th of July 2022. Biju Menon, Nimisha Sagyan to lead Oru Thekkan Thallu Case. The New Indian Express. Retrieved the 31st of July 2022. Carat. Com. Mathrubhumi, the 23rd of July 2022. Biju Menon's Oru Thekkan Thallu Case to hit cinemas on September 8. Mathrubhumi. Retrieved the 31st of July 2022. Carat. Biju Menon, Nimisha, Roshan and Padma Priya to star in Oru Thekkan Thallu Case. The News Minute. The 15th of July 2021. Retrieved the 31st of July 2022. Carat Features, CE, the 14th of July 2021. Biju Menon to lead Oru Thekkan Thallu Case. Cinema Express. Retrieved